Yes, he's in the house. And where is the house? Villa Ronai. It's Stony Hill in St. Andrew. Where it's been raining, but quite nice. Lovely afternoon. Good afternoon, Mr. Barkley.
Blessed, blessed.
Champion boy.
Yeah, a pleasure. Yeah.
Alkaline.
Yeah, man.
What do you think?
Pleasure to be here, man. Super, man.
Super.
Yeah.
The preparations for new rules, how are they going?
Yeah, man. Preparations. They're going good. Everything going as according to plan, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah.
The rehearsals?
Nice. Yeah, man. Nice set list. Venue. Nice, everything. Nice.
Where's the venue?
Trelawny multi-purpose theater.
First things first off the agenda. Promo and a little glazing. We're starting off really beautiful. Beautiful. Oh yeah, by the way, people. Sorry, I forgot my manners for my YouTube intro. Is it no say intro just vibes? It's just your boy Lord and something here. Watching live on Twitch and YouTube, is it? Alkaline sits with Cliff Hughes for live discussion. Is it? Well, I wanna watch this every day, yeah. Boom, whenever the marine show. Just I do it out of that courtesy, is me. Come have manners. Well, I feel like I have manners today.
This weekend, Good Friday?
Yeah, it's gonna be epic.
Tell me, why new rules? Why that name? New rules.
It's just the energy we are pushing, especially in our entry in the game. You know what I mean? Game they don't say it set. Or just add to it, you know?
And the game being what?
What I call it? Dancer.
That
what I call it is?
Yes.
Yeah, man.
So
music business, yeah?
So your new rules suggest that you are coming to make new rules.
Yeah, man. Make my presence felt, yeah?
Yeah.
You know, say, me there. Yeah, so the new rules is just, it's a movement.
I get the impression, watching your music and your performances, that you started as an unknown. Yes. And
yeah. Wonderful. You know one thing I kinda can agree with, cause I've seen some other opinions on this whole video. You see him out of work, like the man I sit down with the wrong person right about now chat about him event. Well, supposed to keep tonight? It's supposed to go on right now, but I don't really give a shit. The Cliff Hughes and Alkaline no mash together. Like, why Cliff Hughes I sit down and interview Alkaline? Maybe he might try to say about I'm comfort zone. Maybe Cliff Hughes tired of the uptownians and the politicians, and he's trying to get in with the new crowd. So Alkaline is his gateway into the younger generation. So maybe let's go ahead and see what's going on here. Let's continue watching.
You made moves to break in.
God say I know I'm not give this no more than 10 or 20 minutes. Honestly, I can't sit down and watch this for 43 minutes. Not so much time, cause not so much time.
Breakout. Yeah.
But support the full video. See, I'm not gonna watch the full video. Get anybody want to watch today or anytime I stream and watch people. Always please support the full release. Remember to like, comment, subscribe, and follow the page. Go on, my father.
Got some pushback.
As usual.
Yeah.
In anything, yeah?
Yeah, you had your moments when they were saying no.
Right.
Yeah. What was your breakout moment?
In terms of like, what I do, I'm forward with a striking image. You know what I mean? An image where enough people wouldn't really understand it, would agree with, with it. They look, they kind of different with the dark out pandemic, So, yeah. And then after that, the things me love. You know what I mean? And the 1, 2, 3. The string of hits them just came and followed.
That hit 1, 2, 3.
Yeah, man.
Yeah?
Yeah, man.
That one really caused.
Put your foot through the door,
Oh.
Yeah. 1, 2, 3.
But you didn't put your foot.
No lie. But then music he Alkaline, you fuck. Narrate him because I never used to give Cartel him flowers, but as the man continues to do him thing and I grow old and I mature, I have to say I respect him for what he did. You cannot say that you listen to dancehall as a Jamaican or as a Caribbean person or you know of the culture in the diaspora, is it? And like you can't say you can't give the man in flowers. Like you have to give this man in flowers. In the things that enough people wish them could have do in them whole lifetime, him do it within a few months, a few years, him build himself from the ground up. I have to respect that.
Through the door, you kick down the door.
Kick it up, all the engine, everything drop. Yeah.
And then
Everything
make
is for that.
move mountains.
Move mountains and all of this.
Yeah. Cliff, make them know say you know a tune, Cliff. Yeah, Cliff, you might own a bunga dunga, you know, but you know a tune, Cliff. Yeah, yeah.
I'm them to the girl. I wouldn't for them, I can't remember them from the top of my head.
Yeah?
Yeah.
We're gonna talk a little bit more about that. But
Right.
a lot of Jamaicans
Right.
follow you.
Yeah.
Yeah. But they don't really know much about you. You have built this mystique around Alkaline. Yeah? You're very private. They don't know you. Tell me, where were you born?
Me bunga dunga.
Kingston.
Where in Kingston? Jubilee.
Yeah.
Victoria Jubilee Hospital.
Yeah.
And then you grew up around Kingston, I gather. You were in Sandy Park at one time.
Yeah,
Sundown Crescent.
Yeah.
How were those early years?
Linders. It was good. You know, simple, calm.
Mm-hmm.
You know what I mean? Go school, follow.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And you grew up with who?
Moms, sisters, and you know what I mean? Family, you know?
Yeah. Mom?
Yeah.
Charmaine? What?
Yeah.
And dad?
Yeah.
Yeah. How was it like?
Bumba clot, man, and eager for answer them questions because coming like Cliff and get well personal, yeah. Look how the man all a lean in to try to get in more details, my lad. Man, I try, you know, breadcrumbs information. This man Alkaline barely a half up, none. Come like the dog barely want dead it, bro. Like, come on, man. I mean, if you go sit down through 43 minutes of this, cuz.
Growing up with how many siblings?
Two.
A brother and a sister.
Two sisters.
Two sisters.
Yeah, management team, man.
Yes.
Yeah.
So tell me, you have made it big now. Yeah. But those early years would have shaped you.
Definitely.
How so?
Yeah, because the core values would have instilled from at home, yeah? Yeah. I'm just gonna make sure I say to train the right way, you know? Discipline and all them things, you know? Yeah.
Mom was a disciplinarian.
Yeah, definitely.
Not dad?
Moms. That's her moms.
Oh, how was she like as a disciplinarian?
They don't know academics is on the top of your list, you know?
Yeah, come on, you know. Mothers are so involved in our lives as Jamaican men that they are the disciplinarians, then the this, then the that, then the everything, but like, yo, is it? An interview, yeah. Pull out, you have to. Me I try my hardest, but me I try fight sleep, father. Like, Cliff now give the man no energy, bro. I just me, you know, I'm going to watch it.
Oh, so you don't know you have to keep the studies, you know?
Uh-huh.
But it helps, you know?
Yes.
Yeah.
Where did you go to primary school?
Primary school. Michael practicing.
Michael
practicing primary.
And you started to distinguish yourself then?
Yeah, man. From early up, man. Because, you know what I say? We did involve in I call it, school challenge quiz.
Yes.
From them time there.
There's a famous clip of you.
Yeah, it's in one of my songs.
Yeah.
Anchor the word.
Yeah.
People.
Yeah.
Who did you make the schools challenge junior quiz at Michael?
Yeah, them say, man, have what it takes, yeah? Yeah, man.
Yeah, she say him need Has some sense, is it? Yeah. Dog the as yeah, if you know the clip, you know the clip when him come on and say you want to turn what? Doctor? Look pan cuz now. Look at cuz now sitting down with Cliff Hughes. I give you him life story. Lovely. Without really with much details, but I said G stay, him want be mysterious. Him want I'm kind of respect that, but you know, me really like the idea of sharing up personal details. What the fuck, my phone just lock off. Wait there, me Ross. Oh, he come back. He come back, yeah. But yeah, personal details are not really my style. I don't really like going too deep in my life. Like I keep my personal separated from the street thing, and it's like it's one of them things that will bring up back memories. We can talk about not really too in depth and too in detail, but still personal life. You can't really bring all of them detail there out in a public car like them thing they are witness dog, and people will exploit that shit.
You're a bright boy.
Something like that.
And when your mom wanted more academically, you got into Arden.
Yeah.
And Arden, the most influential of all the schools, or what?
Everything play a big part in my journey still, but the rest of Ireland was when I really zoom in on music, you know, and say, oh, this is what I want to do, you know, because I was Alkaline even from high school, you know. Arden.
You were Alkaline.
Right.
From Arden.
Yeah, becoming, you know.
Oh.
Yeah.
How did that name emerge, or, you know?
It's quite a body. But I mean, I come up with a name, you know.
Viewers, listeners, he whispered, you know, Sister me out is quarrel about.
Yeah, true. I mean, I come up with a name. Me and Kim come up with a name there.
Mm-hmm.
Guys, we have some different idea. I'm gonna say, Cash say, yeah, but you don't want to say.
No, fi cut the man off for them I talk about I'm come up with him artist name, but we talk about him personal name. Dog name Erlan, like what type of name that, bro? What type of name that? Like there's not even a proper joke you can make off of Erlan. Even if I mean more than ever come out Erlan as my artist name as Erlan. Erlan Bartley. That don't have nothing to it, bro. Not no oomph to it, cause like you need something else. Good thing him roll it Alkaline.
She give me the name still,
but yeah. She.
I think I mean.
So Alkaline started from Arden.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, man.
And was that the moment you discovered that really this was you wanted to get into music?
Yeah, most definitely.
Tell me how that evolved.
Well, it started from when I was to the one day with my brethren.
Bob Buckler, alright, fuck this. None of this no more. No father. I'm done. 10 minutes. Yeah, man, I'm outside. Big up Alkaline same way, you know, but brother, I can't do this. I can't do it, bro. I can't. Oh, no respect, you know. But I can't do this, bro. God say I know. I am not into what's going on here. No. Them backstory, I'm never really care for them when they're younger. I'm not really care about it right now. What me did really come here for was maybe some ideas of music and career and yeah, everything else will go on afterwards. Yeah, me really give a shit about that. Erland, not even Erland. Cliff, I talk to this man like him, I try to know him like I'm friend. Bro, we don't give a fuck about that. From the time I know of your brother and the music, the whole concept, the man of Alkaline. Me only know about the dog music. Me not care about in life before that. Like, let's be real here. Let's be real, cause who gives a shit about what the fuck he used to do when he younger? Those are like all the details and put out there to himself, but bro, dog, my G, me can't do this. I'm sorry. Can't do this long as no more of this. No man. And Cliff, you're talking like you want to try and know him like a bridging, like a friend. Like, nah, bro. A lot of that fluff could have like stay out of the first part of the video. Cause it's hard to go through. Fuck. Fuck me. I'll move on to